So now what we're going to look at, Robin, is a couple of examples of completed installations. So these are installations that had old style lighting systems, but then they were upgraded to more modern LED fittings. Yep. The first one here is a service station, and we can see the difference over the
classic example of old technology, the old HID metal halides lighting up the Wowsers from the canopy. You see how dull the Wowser looks on the left-hand side compared to the right-hand side. They would have easily halved their wattage there as well. It looks like they may have even, did they drop out some luminaires?
Yes, they did. They reduced the number of luminaires.
They've reduced the number of luminaires, they've increased the light, they've reduced their wattage, and the result speaks for itself.
Yeah, it looks, and it's much cleaner. Yeah. Much cleaner.
Crisp. Yeah.
Crisp is a great word.
So there's another example there. So on the left-hand side, they had sodium vapor light source. Mm-hmm. Sodium vapor is a good light source, but it is that goldeny coloured, so it, can be visually duller than a white light source. So they've changed it to LED on the right-hand picture there, and you see how crisp again all the buildings. Your visual acuity of that distance in that street is really good. On the left-hand side, I would struggle to see someone walking up the path in the distance there, but on the right-hand side, you see someone was walking when they took the photo, and you can see them with a purple top and red hair by the looks. So you can make that out.
And they are in both photos.
They are in both photos, so I can't see them in the other photo at all. So,
no, that's an interesting fact. I never thought about that. That comes down to colour rendering and things like that.
Colour rendering, again, there's another service station, same example, canopy lights replaced with LED, they've halved their consumption, they've increased their output, the acuity, the visual acuity of that, especially these places have got cameras, so the cameras will be a lot brighter, they'll be a lot clearer to pick up the registrations and things of people who might be doing a runner, things like that. So it's a lot, for safety aspects, you'd rather be on the right hand drawing than you would on the left.
most definitely, and I mean we both have daughters, so I'd be much happier in the right hand service station than the left hand, or in the newly fitted out service station. Okay, so in conclusion, don't overlight your application.
Correct. As you saw there, I ran it through the estimator first. It told me approximately 10 fittings. I had to use 12 to get the uniformity. But I was really just over the required levels anyway. So I've kept it to the bare minimum requirements for the standard. So
and by overlighting the whole situation or the whole project, it would just mean it would cost more money to run.
Cost more to install, cost more to buy, cost more to run. And you can get applications where too much light can be hard on the employees working there, and they end up getting headaches and things.
They start wearing caps.
It's very important.
Removes their visual, upward vision. Okay, and the colour temperature is obviously very important, as we saw with the street lighting and things like that. And also, using long life LED, high lumen output, high efficacy luminaires for your projects, gives us long life.
Absolutely.
Provides us with long life.